Hello, my name is Angel Soler, a student of mechanical engineering, and next will explain about the years and the calculation and design of the opinion with the topics covered in cinematic class. Let's start. Mechanics used to transmit mechanical power from one component to another. The gears are made up of two toothed wheels, of which the largest is called the crow and the smallest pinion. A gear is used to transmit circular motion through contact of cogwheels. Ray-act pinion gear systems are used to convert rotary motion into linear motion. A rack has a straight head cut into a surface of a square or round section of the bar and is powered by a pinion, which is a small cylindrical gear that meshes with the rack. The diameters are drawn as both exterior and perimeter under the diameter, with the measurements of the previous step. Next step, where we draw an horizontal line in the perimeter diameter which has to be changed and intersect with the vertical axis. We draw a line of 17.5 grades on this horizontal line where it intercepts with the vertical axis, which this point will be named as P. We draw a perpendicular line on the 17.5 grades line where its point of intersection will be named B. With the center of the point of origin of our pinion of the point B, we will draw a circumference which is called the base circumference. We will start to mark 15 grades points around our base circumference. The resistance is drawn where the distance from point B to point P is taken with the compass to the center and the point B to point P. The tangents to the axis and the first curve of the two are drawn, which is called the involution curve. Then the compass is flipped with the same radius and the 10 intersection point between the primitive circumferences and the base. The following envelope is drawn to define the first stop of the gear. Trace edge shoot around our circumference. In my case, I use a 6-scale circle template where this will be the joint of edge tooth with our primitive diameter. And finally, this is the pinion mold made in cardboard strip. Thank you very much.